before. This is the crazy.
Got it.
We got Rasta pulling this thing apart. Front timing cover is off. It looks like we have access to the cam, to the oil pump, to the timing chain down there. Looks like the valves were hitting the piston, so it's not good. Just about done with the meth kit. It is back there. You can kind of see it. Meth pump is back there behind the reservoir. Little custom modification. So she is gonna hook up the interior switch for the meth, and then this thing will be just about done.
Right. You got special delivery here.
You know what you're doing?
That ain't my job. Yeah.
A Mexican had to tell him what to do. But anyways, what is this?
408 LS Forge.
So this is going in this silver Z06 Procharger setup a couple months ago. Engine went bad, engine failure on this Z06, so it's getting replaced.
Texas speed 408 compression, I think 9821.
That
pretty good power.
What is going on, YouTube? We are back. Little update. We're going to be doing new lifters in this thing. Where is so we got.
You want to show them what
What's
happened?
up? You want to show them what happened? What happened, Habibi? What is it? What is that for people that don't know?
You can tell. What is it?
I don't know. It's like, no, this is a steering rack.
Literally, what about to pull it out of the shop that just happened?
Yeah, his wheels. Look at his wheels.
Deadly.
Here.
Will we get one tomorrow?
That. Then you gonna race it?
Which one to race it? Car's up.
Yo, this guy goes through tires like
Man, we spent like,
twice a month.
No, we
It's like,
spent
no, like once a month?
No, no. We spent like 3 sets just testing it, just in the suspension. Just testing. You can tell.
Gotta
The
do
car
race
took
car
it to the
things.
dead spot, making a hit. The car kept spinning like crazy. So, oh my god, suspension probably gonna be off. Check suspension is good. Find out the tires. But I made like probably 8 patches, like with good burnout. We'll post stamp soon.
Ah, okay. So yeah. God damn. Race car things. But yeah, Habibi will be back soon. Look at this thing. Damn. Sad Habibi.
You gotta change the oil.
She's gonna continue working on this meth kit. He's gonna go ahead and add some nozzles. So we're gonna let him do his thing, come back.
Just got it dropped off. Like 2-inch headers, long tooth catalyst, 45 intake. So it's 2021.
2021?
You got 3,000 miles.
3,000 miles. This color is nice.
Yeah.
It's burgundy.
Yep. 6 ship.
First pull, headers, intake on 93. Now Habibi's gonna put the sauce in the tune.
That's on E47.
47. It's on E47. We'll make the 5 with the E85. No, sorry. No. Sorry, the cap. And make the 482.
Ethanol content is higher, he can make more power.
Yeah, but then it car.
LT1?
Not critical.
Like,
45. Like,
big gulp.
no.
No big gulp? Oh, okay. Not big gulp. Alright, bet. 474. What is good, YouTube? We are back. Got Ross over here working on a new 6.0 for this C5. Alright, YouTube, we are back. C5 is all put together. What do y'all think? Poly Sniper EFI intake, fuel rails. Right on here looks pretty good. This thing should be on the dyno in the next video. Everything up here is pretty much wrapped up. I know we still have to mess around with the fuel system, so the next video this thing will be on the dyno.